interrupted with the ICU Data 64.dll blocking Windows OS Core workflow. I'm Sophie Chen, a Windows support engineer. I've analyzed the conflict and I'm ready to show you the safest fix. Before the technical guide for ICU Data 64, I've linked a maintenance resource to help stabilize your background processes. This is the ICU Data 64, the ICU Data Library. It provides unmanaged routines for managing localized time, date, and currency formats, facilitating the foundational data link for global software manifests. Let's get to work. We'll start with the most common fix for this specific error. This issue is commonly caused by Windows OS Core having a broken or truncated installation. Reinstall the latest official version of Windows OS Core from the official website to ensure ICU Data 64.dll and all related files are correctly replaced. If a standard reinstallation doesn't restore the library, we need to verify if the system environment is properly recognizing the new components. Performing a restart can determine if the error is just a transient environment glitch. A reboot refreshes your system's path variables and can sometimes re-establish a broken link to the ICU Data 64 file. Bookmark this video or click the like button now so that you have a shortcut back to this guide after your PC finishes restarting. If you're still stuck after the reboot, stay with me. We're going to try a more targeted approach now. You can pause the video whenever you need to follow along. If the restart failed to clear the system error, our next step is a deep cleanup of the OS servicing folders. First, open command prompt as admin. Second, you're going to type DISM space /online space /cleanup dash image space /restore health. Then hit enter. Why are we doing this? Well, uses Microsoft's remote server repository to overwrite damaged system source files and restore your OS framework to its original state. From a systems engineering perspective, there is one major security pitfall I need to help you avoid. I strongly advise you to prioritize system safety by avoiding manual swaps of ICU Data 64. Third-party DLL sites are a primary vector for hackers to inject ransomware directly into your operating system's core. To ensure your system remains within verified parameters, you might choose to use an authorized maintenance path for ongoing support. To support a stable Windows environment, the suggested maintenance tool below includes ICU Data 64 library guidance. If this diagnostic guide saved you time launching ICU Data 64 today, please show your support by liking the video and subscribing for more expert-level troubleshooting.